Hello student, today I am going to solve NIOS 330 Computer Science New Syllabus question paper. Exam held on February 2021. This question paper consists of 33 questions of 60 marks and passing marks is 20 only. Time duration is 3 hours only. New syllabus is for who registered in March April 2020 or after that, and old syllabus is for who had registered before 1920. I will solve old syllabus question paper in next video. Question 1. Name the header files to which the following built-in functions belong for 1 marks. 1. Gets function studio.h, strcat function string.h. Question 2. Which of the following identifier cannot be used for naming variable, constants or functions in a program? Pass and fail underscore variable float for iostream your book. For 1 marks, answer pass and fail float. Question 3. Assume an integer variable my number. Write a C++ statement using conditional operator to assign the value 0 to variable x if the my number is odd and 1 if my number is even. For 1 marks, answer x is equal to my number, percentage 2 is equal to 0, condition 1 is to 0. Question 4. Explain the following terms with examples from C++ for 2 marks. 1. Encapsulation. 2. Polymorphism. Answer 1. Encapsulation. Wrapping up of data and functions into a single unit is called encapsulation. 2. Polymorphism. It is an OOP concept that supports the capability of data to be processed in more than one form. Question 5. Give 2 differences between shift and extract operators. Answer. Shift operator. It is called put to or bitwise shift operator. It is used with count statement to display data on the monitor. Extract operator. It is called get from or extraction operator. It is used with seen statement to accept data from the keyboard. Question 6. Write a function check prime function that takes a number as an argument and checks whether it is a prime number or not. Answer. Void check prime int num. If num mod 2 is equal to 0, count prime number. Else for int x is equal to 2, x less than num, x plus plus. If num mod x is equal to 0, count not prime. Break else continue. If x is equal to num, count prime number. Question 7. In a switch case statement, when is the default statement executed? Answer. The default statement is executed when none of the case match. Question 8. Find the syntax error from the following program. Justify each error. There are 4 error. 1. Prototype missing. 2. F bar 1 is not accessible here. 3. Double quote should be given. 4. Float value to be returned. Question 9. Write the output of the following code. Assume all the required header files are already included. Answer. B11 star 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 B. Next line Z1100 star 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 B. Next line K100 B. Question 10. Write a function checks in C++ which accepts an integer number as an argument and display the reverse of it. Answer. Void check int var while var is greater is equal to 0, count var mod 10 var is equal to var by 10. Predict the output of the following program. Answer. @ into @. Question 12. Write a function that takes an array of 10 integers and a number as an argument and displays the position of the number using binary search. Answer is given here. Question number 13. Define a static variable. A static variable is accessible only in the function in which it is created or defined, but it remains in existence for the life of the program. Question 14. Write a C++ statement that creates an alias of int data type as cost. Answer. Type def int cost. Question 15. Declare a structure contact having building string floor int string and city string as its member. Thereafter create another structure company having the following members: registration number of type integer, cname of type string, revenue of type float, address and instance of contact. Write C++ statement to accept the value of city from the user. Answer is given here. pause the video and see the answer. Question 16. Define a class sports academy in C++ with following descriptions: private members, as code of type long, as name of type string, course fee of type float, duration of type integer. Public members, constructor to assign initial value of s code as 999, as name as hello, course fees as 100, duration 99. A function enter which allow the user to enter s code, as name and duration. Also assign the value of course fees as 1000 if duration is more than 100. A function display sports to display all the details of the data members. Answer is given here. Please pause the video and see the answer. Question 17. Consider the following class definition and answer the questions that follow. Question 1. Name the base class and derived class of the class world. Second, name the data members that can access from function display. Third, name the member functions which can be accessed from the objects of the class state. Answer 1. Base class nation, derived class state. Second, CM countries. Third, display function, in data function, out data function. Question 18. Give C++ statements to do the following. 1. Create a character pointer myPtr. Second, make myPtr hold the addresses of character variable var. Answer 1. Char star myPtr. Second, myPtr is equal to n%var. Question 19. Define bold and italic in format pointer. Answer. This pointer is an implicit pointer that points to the object that invokes a member function. Question 20. Assuming the class clinic is defined below, write a user-defined function to add the objects of clinic at the end of the binary file clinicdata.dat. The records should be entered till the user wishes to. Answer is given here. Please pause the video and see the answer. Question 21. Give 1 point of difference between iOS app and iOS 8. Answer. iOS app opens the file in output mode. The file pointer is at the end of the file and adds the record at the end of the file. iOS 8 opens the file in both input and output mode. The file pointer is at the end of the file, but it can modify the data anywhere in the file. Question 22. Write the statement to display the current position of the read pointer in a file that is opened using the ifstream object name f1. Answer. f1.tailLG function. Question 23. Define the following. 1. Flat file. Second, database. Answer. Flat file. A file in which all records have the same number of bytes. In other words, all records are fixed length record. Second, database, a collection of related files. Question 24. Define normalization. Normalization is the process of analyzing the data to be represented and breaking it down into separate tables in accordance with principles of relational structure. Question 25. Differentiate between degree and cardinality. Answer. Number of columns in a table is degree and number of rows in a table is cardinality. Question 26. Observe the table implies given below and write the queries 1, 2 and 3 that follow. 1. To display the contents of implies table in descending order of f name. Second, to display the names of each city only once. Third, to delete the record of the implies who stay in Delhi. Answer 1. Select star from implies order by f name descending. Second, select distinct city from implies. Third, delete from implies where city is equal to Delhi. 27. Give one difference between tag P and tag BR element in HTML. Answer. Tag P element start a new paragraph. It is a container element. Tag BR element insert a line break. It is an empty element. Question 28. Differentiate between container and empty elements. Give 2 examples of each. Question 28. Container element. It has both on and off tags. For example, HTML head title. Empty element. It has only on tag, for example BR, HR, etc. Question 29. Design the following web page with the specifications given below. 1. The title of the page should be Internet. 2. The background color of the page is pink and the text color is red. 3rd. The heading is in the center of the page, has the font style as impact color as blue and size as 20. 4. The paragraph should be of font size 16. 5. The width of the solid line in the center is of 5 pixels, is of blue color and covers half the page. Answer is given here. Please pause the video and see the answer. Question 30. Differentiate between JPG and GIF image format. Answer: JPG image format. It can store images with lot of colors such as photographs. The size is small and can be further reduced to suit the requirement. GIF image format. It stores images with few colors such as logos, pencil drawings, etc. Question 31. Write the HTML code to create the following list. Rectangular border is not required. Answer is given here. Pause the video and see the answer. Question 32. Define universal virtualization. Answer: a system that provides virtualization of both hardware and software is called universal virtualization. Question 33. Give 2 advantages of cloud computing. Answer: 1. No need to procure space for creating infrastructure. 2. The information can be accessed at any time and from anywhere.